Hey guys, welcome back. There are some things that just brighten up your day, and one of them is lemon curd. It is like sunshine in a cup, and the tangy citrus flavor just wakens up your palate. In our restaurant tasting menus, I have served this as a course breaker to freshen the palate after a robust meaty course and just before the dessert. The lemon curd yogurt food recipe is very simple and easy assembly. All you do is fold in the lemon curd with the thick hunk yogurt and top it up with some fresh fruits or fresh berries. So let's get cooking. Lemon curd food is extremely simple to make. I had shown the recipe earlier of how to make a lemon curd. Basically it is butter, is sugar, it is cooked together with lemon juice and then it's thickened with cornflour and then again sweetened with the condensed milk till you get a nice thick consistency. I don't try and make it very sweet or very sharp, so the flavors are quite nice. You still have a very intense flavor of lemon, but it's not too sweet. Sometimes you get a can or the jars of lemon curd and they're very sweet. Try this recipe which I've shown earlier. It is very simple and the best thing is it is eggless. To make the lemon yogurt food, you need to get thick yogurt, so use Greek yogurt, and all you do is you whisk your Greek yogurt till it is smooth. Don't need to put sugar in this because there's enough sugar in the lemon curd, but you have to get yogurt which is thick. So just beat the yogurt till it's smooth. The yogurt is now nice and smooth. It doesn't need any sugar, but the sugar all comes from the lemon curd and the fruit. And in this, I'm going to add the lemon curd. And when I mix the lemon curd, I don't want to really make it very smooth. I want it more like a ripple effect. So just drop it in. It's nice and rich. And just gently break it up into the yogurt. Just slice it basically. Just run your spatula through. And there you have it. So this is done. What I'm also going to add next is going to be mango. So I've got fresh mango here. And I'm going to add 1 and 2 spoons of icing sugar. It just helps to slightly soften the mango, and I'm going to gently press it down. So I want it to get a bit juicy, a little bit of the juice would come out, and also lightly mash up the mango. If you want to add spice, you can actually add in this some cardamom powder. It works well. Some fennel powders works well. If you want to add say chopped mint leaves, even that would work well. There we are. This is ready. You see, it begins to get slightly softer and a bit of the juices are released. I'm going to start plating the lemon curd full. So I've got mango ready, I've got my yogurt mixed with the lemon curd ready, the glass done. Now what I'm going to put on the base is slightly to give it some texture because yogurt is soft, the mango is soft. I'm going to put biscuit crumbs. So I use digestive biscuits which I've crushed. You can use a homemade crumble or you can buy any other sweet biscuit, crush it into a fine powder and it gives a very nice texture. So this is going to go right at the base. So when you actually begin eating the lemon food, it will taste quite nice when you come to the bottom. It absorbs the flavors, it's got a crunch, it's got a very nice bite. So it really tickles your palate. So first goes in. Go to just spread it at the bottom. And then I'm going to spoon in some of the lemon curd yogurt. So almost spooned up till the half of the glass. Then goes in the mango. I'm going to spoon the mango on the edges so you get to see it. But there are many flavors you can do in this. You can probably do the yogurt, could be flavored with saffron. You can use any berries in season which you may get. They would work well also. It's just that the nice flavors of the lemon will contrast quite well with the yogurt. It's a great dessert. Very simple to make. You can make it if you have guests coming in your house. You can make it in advance and keep it ready. And all you do is put some garnish, maybe some candy floss on top and make it interesting. A lot of variations. Again, a few spoons of the lemon yogurt, the lemon fool. There we have it. I'm just being over generous here. You can use a smaller glass and do a smaller portion. But for me, something which I really like is lemon. I love yogurt and I love mangoes and I love biscuits. So I've got all my favorites right in this dessert here. I'm already salivating, just thinking of when I'm going to bite into this and take a spoonful of this yummy dessert. There you have. So that is done. I love to serve this with biscuits, and one of the best biscuits are the Scottish shortbread biscuits. So a couple of pieces right there, and there you have it. That's my lemon curd fool with shortbread biscuits. Make sure you guys try it at home. Share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to leave your comments on the section below. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit.